Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Welcome to all my subscribers and my prospecting subscribers. Big up on a nice clean self. Welcome to the fun, welcome to the food, welcome to the merry making. Today we are preparing curry chicken foot with dumpling, yam and banana. Sit back, relax and enjoy the cooking journey. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. What are you waiting on? Before I go any further, some person says chicken foot, some person says chicken feet, whatever you call it. Today we are going to curry it with dumpling, yam and banana. So stick and stay, watch till the end. I love you guys. Continue to tell a friend that we are having fun over here on the cooking journey. Thank you. Stick and stay.